Our top story on World DNA this morning, WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange is set to appear in a US court this week.
Well, Assange has agreed to plead guilty to US criminal charges as part of a deal that will then allow him to go free. Assange, who was in custody in Britain, will plead guilty to a single count of conspiracy to obtain and disseminate national defense information. WikiLeaks reported that Julian Assange is free and has left the UK.
He is scheduled to appear on Wednesday morning local time in the US territory. Assange is expected to be sentenced to 62 months in prison, with credit for 5 years he has served in Britain prison. This means he could return to his native Australia, ending the years-long legal drama.
Australia says it is aware of WikiLeaks founder's legal proceedings in the United States, adding that his case had dragged on for too long. US legal documents showed that Assange, an Australian citizen, has made a deal to secure his freedom by pleading guilty.
And for more on this, our correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report from New York on this. Listen to this.
Julian Assange, the founder of WikiLeaks, has agreed to plead guilty to a single felony count of obtaining and disclosing national security material. He will appear in court at 9 a.m. local time on Wednesday in Northern Mariana Islands and is expected to be returned to Australia after the proceedings end. The deal ends a long standoff with the United States, which had sought to extradite him to face 18 counts related to WikiLeaks' release of classified documents. Assange has already served about 5 years in a British prison and will not face additional prison time. The case has raised concern about press freedom on the one hand and the public's right to know on the other. Assange's supporters argue that his actions were indeed in public interest, while U.S. officials claim that they put U.S. national security at risk. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.